right here. You okay? Come on. Get him in here, buddy.
It's July the 5th. We got Grayson on a nice bull shark. He's kind of tired right now. Said he wanted a big one, and now he's paying for it.
I see the leader. I don't see the fish yet.
Let's see if he's got it up here. Give it one more pull, buddy.
One more little one. There you go. Stop right there and just pull up. Real slow. Real slow.
Nice shark.
Yeah. Look at the mouth on that sucker.
Nice shark.
Woo! Doggies.
I want a picture of him.
You want a picture with him?
Yeah, like or something.
We'll see what we can do.
What do you think, buddy?
I'm tired.
Good
Cool.
job. Awesome fish.
That is cool, isn't it?
Let's get one more look at him. If you can.